Hi, my name is Nikolina Ceppaluni, and I am a Healthcare Intake Analyst at USD. I recently had the incredible opportunity to attend a servant leadership workshop led by champions of servant leadership here at USD, and I can truly say it was nothing short of transformational. From the very beginning, Dr. Madana Kumar brought not only knowledge but wisdom to this course. Anu Sarini Vasan and Savitha Suresh brought expertise that is grounded in authenticity and years of experience. Vinod Rajan and Asaya Yasmin brought a genuine passion for helping others through honest feedback and discussion of real-world case scenarios. What struck me the most was how they redefined leadership, not as a position of power, but as a calling to serve. That message resonated with me on both a professional and personal level. The workshop was not just a theory. It is filled with practical frameworks and reflective exercises that helped me identify my own leadership style, the blind spots I wasn't aware of, and the ways I could better serve my team. The facilitators were warm, engaging, and thought-provoking. They are storytellers, mentors, and guides all in one. One moment that really stood out was when we discussed the difference between justice, mercy, and grace. That one concept framed how I approach relationships and decision-making. It is not just about forgiveness. It is about empathy, intention, and collaboration. The leaders of this workshop live this model, as their humility and humanity are evident in every session. Since taking this course, I have noticed a real change in myself. My team feels more empowered. I've become more intentional in how I listen, how I delegate, and how I support others' growth. The ripple effects are real, and I credit that to the way the leaders of these modules inspired us. Not to lead for recognition, but to lead for impact. If you're on the fence about this course, don't be. Whether you're a seasoned leader or just starting out, this servant leadership workshop will challenge and equip you in ways you did not expect. It is more than a management style change. It is a mental mindset change. And thank you to the leaders of this course for helping me discover a better way to lead.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative, both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.